Shakas! Aloha, crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with some mail. Boy, was I surprised when I went to my P.O. box today and all of this was like shoved in there. Literally, for reals. They just like try to shove everything in that little box. First is from Scrappy Tate, and I was just in a collab. If you watched last month, I'll link the playlist here. She hosted the 24 Days of Secret Santa Swap, and so I participated in that, and she's sending me a thank you. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So, oh, look at how cute. The pillow box, and she filled it with some goodies. This is cute. So she probably cut this. And then look at how cute. Oh my gosh, it has my name. Focus. Look. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This is so awesome. Cool. I'm so astonished. It has my name. Oh, thank you so much. I had so much fun. I am totally looking forward to it next year. So please, Paulette, keep me on your list. Thank you so much. And then I received an envelope from Lou. And look at how she's got some confetti mixed in the envelope. So cute. She's always got some awesome packaging. And look how beautiful. So it is a Christmas card. How beautiful. It's blank, so she's gonna let me reuse it. Thank you so much. I love these colors. So pretty. She has this foam Christmas tree. She's cut this. Might have been a die cut. She cut it out with a stitch die. She has a doily back here, some rhinestone jemmies. Thank you so much, Lou. Thank you for the good vibes. Love it, love it. Ah, look at her fun. Woo! And then this little package that she's added this topper to. It has a little, can you see the little snowflake sticker she's got there? And then this ornament sticker. This is a pretty ornament. It says Merry Christmas. Oh, let's see. Oh, and then she shared some goodies. So look at this beautiful tag. So pretty. She's even sewed down the middle of the star. And she's added one of those foam Christmas trees. Look at how pretty this ornament is. She's got some lights up here. It's layered a few times. And then she's added this beautiful bow and this trim on the top of the tag. Oh, and she's got the to from on the back. Thank you so much for sharing. And she's made this one with stickers. This is a good idea. With the bow. With the ribbon. Oh, and then a 3x3 card. Thank you so much. This is so thoughtful. Very useful things to share. I appreciate it. That's a good idea. Thank you so much, Lou, for thinking of me. Thank you, thank you. Then the next one is from Sue. She is Crafty Sue 519. I could be wrong. I'm going to leave her link in the description box below. And what is this? What is this? Tissue paper? What is this? Oh my gosh! What? Have a magical day! Girl! Oh, you remember my birthday! Thank you so much, Sue. Oh my goodness. Wishing you the best day ever. Just sending a little something. Oh, thank you. Yes, it does. It screams me. I'm so glad. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, Sue. I appreciate you thinking of me. This card is freaking gorgeous. I love it. Sue Noko. But she is Crafty Sue 519 here on YouTube. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Thank you so much for remembering me. I appreciate it. And then I have, this is from Susan Tootsie Tucker. Look at how cute the poly bag is with all the ice cream on it. I love it. So in here, oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? So, it says Brr. Oh, with the snowman. Hi Maka, I'm sorry you didn't receive your swap for October. Here are some goodies to play with. Big hugs and blessings, Susan. Oh girl, that was no problem. I forgot who my swap partner was, but she was stressed and just like, it was all good. It was all good. I felt good about blessing her, and I was good with that. Oh, thank you so much, Susan. You really didn't have to. No worries. I was good with it. I hope she enjoyed the stuff she got and could use it. I know she was moving. I don't know if she ever did move or not. But wow. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh, look at this die. It's like a belly band. Oh, how cool. Excited to use that. Look at her belly band. It is chunked up. She's got some eyelash trim in the back. She's layered with this mason jar and one of those conversation foamy hearts with this. We got a little smash. We're gonna fix her with this beautiful rose, and this is like pink jute maybe. But yeah, I love the belly band. Look at, oh, and she, oh girl, you really didn't have to. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you, look. And I have stuff to craft with for Valentine's Day coming up. Oh my gosh, this thing is like overflowing with, look. So you just blessed me with so much goodies, man. Look at all of these good tags. I love the paper choices. Love the different sizes. I love it, love it, love it. They'll be good to make a tag flip with. But look at all of these bows. They are beautiful. Look, some of them is even with velvet paper. The black and the white. Oh, they're pretty. They might be stickers, these ones on the velvet. I'm not sure. Oh, but thank you so much, Susan. I appreciate it. I really do. It was totally not necessary. I was good with hoping to have blessed her. But thank you so much, ladies, for thinking of me, for all your love and your support to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you decide to stay and subscribe below. Follow me on my crafty journey. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.